Tribe, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen, welcoming you all to the Equinox room. Our Equinox series is finally complete and I hope you enjoy them. They are a variation of the Sun Salutation A, Sun Salutation B, and the Chandra Namaskar, the Moon Salutations. The first 10 sets of flows in your Equinox room are the Moon Salutations, and then the next 14 are your Sun Salutations. The Moon Salutations are more cooling in intent. They are slower, even slower than our normal slow flow, but I reassure you they are not yin long. Yeah, so it's not a very long hold of the poses, but they are a lot slower because Moon Salutations are nice to just expand your breath in the pose and really get in touch with what's happening in your mind, what's happening in your heart. Are they both cloudy with the list of things that you're going to do after? That's why you're invited to hold the pose a little bit longer and just breathe and just let all of those go and settle the mind, settle the emotions. The Sun Salutations, as implied in the name, are more heating, yeah? They are not very energetic, but they are more energetic. They will make you sweat a little bit more. Now, if you do these Sun or Moon Salutations in the morning to set you up for the day, you're welcome to have a short Shavasana afterwards, as we do at the end of our classes. Or if you want to, you can just come back into a kneeling pose. You're welcome to pad your knees here or come or sit on a stool in a cross-legged position, maybe a Siddhasana. Have one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Close your eyes and have a few deep breaths here. And then you're off for the day. Yeah, you don't have to come into your full Shavasana. But of course, if you want to, and especially if you do the Equinox flows at the end of the day, you know, before your evening wind down rituals, do a few rounds and then you can cleanse yourself and continue your Shavasana in bed and then drop down into your sleep. And I hope it settles you down nicely for a really rejuvenating, relaxing sleep cycle. The Surya Namaskar or the Sun Salutations, or what we will call the Sol flows, Sol as in sun, are done preferably in the morning, again because they are really heating, they're very energizing, they're very yang, what invigorates us and starts the fire for the rest of the day. The Moon Salutations, the Chandra flows, or what we will call the Luna flows, are done mostly in the evenings, as the intent suggests. It's to cool us down, to slow down our thought process, to lighten up our emotional baggage from the day, to just relinquish all of that and set us up nicely for a more restful evening and a more restful sleep cycle. So that's where they are traditionally practiced, but we are Mad Yogis. We go against the flow every now and then, because what I want you to figure out for yourself, at what time of the day do you want to do your flows? How long do you want to do them? How many repetitions do you want? What flows resonate with you at what time of the day? And the combinations, yeah? You might want to do the short sun salutation followed with a short moon salutation, or maybe actually do a moon salutation in the morning just to have a slow start of the day, and then maybe a sun salutation during the day, midday or afternoon, and then another short moon salutation in the evening, or even a short sun salutation in the evening just to burn off the energy of the day. You can do that too. That's why our flows, the Mad Yogi classes, are on demand to accommodate what you need, to resonate to what you need, and to make it your flows. I think that's it as my welcome introduction to the Equinox room and the Equinox series. I hope you enjoy them, and namaste.